guys, welcome back to the Big Time Channel. Today we are at Cuban Carl's house. There he is. And by the name you can tell Cuban Carl is insane at Rubik's cubes, and I'm horrible. So we're gonna do me versus Cuban Carl. Cuban Carl has to solve the whole Rubik's cube, and I have to solve one side. That's how bad I am. That's how bad I am, and that's how good he is. So first round is gonna be the 2x2, and the second round is the 3x3. So are you ready, Cuban Carl? I'm gonna mix it up for Cuban Carl. So I'm gonna try to make. Okay, that's good enough. Time to solve. Cuban Carl just solved that whole thing in 10 seconds, and I bet I'm gonna solve a whole side in a minute.
Yeah.
So it is my turn.
Yeah.
Get ready. Guys, I'm gonna try to solve the blue side. So let's hope. I'm not gonna do it in 10 seconds. My goal is under a minute to do one side. Okay. Okay guys, so I got it in 38 seconds. So down to the front. Cuban Carl beat me by a lot, and that's pretty disappointing. But time for the 3x3. Now it's Cuban Carl's turn for the 3x3. So he's once again gonna dominate me. But here you go. He got it in 2 minutes. Is that 2 minutes? I can't read that. That's 2 minutes. I'm just gonna say 2 minutes. So
2 minutes and 8
I
seconds.
actually have a chance on this.
2 minutes and 8 seconds.
That was probably one of his worst ones.
Yeah.
It really was. But that means I have a chance. I have a chance.
I left the door open.
He left the door open. Now is my turn to get crushed by Cuban Carl in the 3x3. I mean in the 3x3. Like I said, horrible at Rubik's cubes. It took me 5 minutes to do this. That's it. Nothing else is solved. I just took me 5 minutes to do that.
And definitely no help from Cuban Carl.
Yeah,
he
helped me too.
No, maybe.
Now is the last one, which he said is the pyramid thingy.
The Pyramix.
Pyramid. So he says he's been really good at these ones. So this is even. I never tried one of these. Hey guys, so I am not even gonna try this one because he's insane at this one, and I'm not even gonna put it in fast mode. That's how much I trust him about this one. He's gonna solve it so quick. Okay, go.
Great block up in the first 2 turns.
How much was it? 15 seconds.
Pretty good.
That's pretty good. So, as you can tell, he is insane at this. That's pretty much all I wanted to show you. Just tell him I'm bad and he's good. Which is kind of embarrassing. But yeah, hope you liked the video. You say peace.
Peace.